What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex. We're going to be going over Laureate Education, ticker symbol ALAUR. So this stock recently announced a really high special dividend of $7.01 per share. So this is a really high dividend. It's almost a 40% yield. If you take a look at a calculator, $7.01 divided by the current share price, which is just under $18, 17.95. That's going to be a 39.05% return on your dividend. So this is kind of crazy. It's kind of sketch that this company is doing that, and this is definitely not a company that you would want to invest in long term if they're giving away this much money to the shareholders. So what exactly is this company? It's basically an education company. They are committed to providing accessible, high quality undergraduate, graduate, and specialized degree programs. So blah blah blah, we don't really care about that. What we care about is the special dividend right here that they're announcing and how to kind of capture this dividend. So basically, you need to own this stock on by October 6th, and then you will receive the dividend on November 1st when it's paid out. So you do have to hold the stock for just a little, almost a month. So a lot of people are going to be doing just that. But what's interesting here is that it announced it, I think around September 15th when it was $17 per share. And since then it's ran up about $2. So the dividend is not yet really priced in, but we're really going to see after the dividend gets paid out, the stock price dropping significantly. So there's some really good options play strategies that we can take advantage of using this knowledge. Now, of course, you can just buy shares and use the dividend capture strategy, which is basically buying the stock and then holding it until the dividend is paid out and then selling it. That's basically the gist of the dividend capture strategy. And it's proven to be not very profitable, but with special dividends like this, it could be pretty good because it's not a normal dividend. And the stock dropping by $7 after the dividend payout is kind of unlikely. It might drop maybe $5, $6, but $7 drop, that's going to kind of kill the stock. But we definitely don't want to hold this stock long term because they are selling some of their assets. So the option strategies that we're going to be taking advantage of is both calls and puts. So what we're going to want to be doing is, because the dividend date is a little over a week from now, the stock has not yet kind of risen in and priced in the special dividend. As we can see, it's only at 4% on the week, and the stock should definitely be a lot higher due to the special dividend announcement with a lot of people buying in. But it seems like a lot of people are waiting until the last minute to buy this stock. So we're going to be taking advantage of this and getting into this stock kind of early, because I do think that the stock will continue to run up. So of course you could just buy and hold shares. That would be a pretty good strategy. Or we could buy some call options. So if we check a look here, a $20 call option is only going to cost you $55. Very, very cheap. And especially if you're looking for some lottery ticket plays, this is it for sure. Because we do think that the run up to October 6th is going to be pretty good. And we're going to see a really big increase. Now, we definitely don't want to hold our call option specifically through the dividend. So an October 15th expiration date is going to be pretty good. We definitely want to get in and out quickly. So an October short-term expiration is going to provide you the cheapest options and the maximum upside potential. So this is going to be a really nice play right here. As we can see, implied volatility is still kind of on the lower end. I do think it's going to run up a bit as time goes on close to the ex-dividend date. So an October 15th expiration for the $20 call options is going to be pretty good for the run up. For a little longer term option, we're actually going to be buying some puts as well, because we do anticipate the stock price dropping significantly. No one wants to be holding the stock long term, and a lot of people are going to be selling the stock right after they receive the dividend, which is going to kind of kill the stock price. So what we want to do is buy November 19 put options. And as we can see here, something like a 15 or 17.5 strike is going to be pretty good. If you want to be a bit risky, $15 strike is going to be what we're really looking forward to. As you can see, our break even is going to be just under $15 per share. So I do anticipate that the stock is going to drop at least $5 to $6 right after the dividend is paid out, and that'll make this put option pretty profitable. It's very cheap, implied volatility is pretty low, and we want to get into these options pretty early because the premiums are going to be cheaper as well. As we approach October 6th, the implied volatility is going to be running up, which means the premiums are going to go up as well. And so we definitely want to take advantage of the quote unquote lower implied volatility that we have right now and get in early so we can play the run up. So we definitely want to do some call options, $20 strike. That's going to give you a really short-term option call. We definitely want to get in and out quickly, and we want to sell it before the dividend payout. For the put option, we want a November 19th expiration date, and we want to hold it through the dividend payout because we do think that the stock price is going to tank right after the dividend payout. No one really wants to hold the stock long term. Everyone's just buying into the stock just for the special dividend. So we're going to be taking advantage of that by buying some put options, whether it be the $15 strike or the 17.5. That's $15 strike, which is over a month out. It's only going to cost you $45, so it's pretty cheap, and there's a lot of potential to make a ton and tons of money. So this is the strategy that we're really looking forward to on this stock, playing both calls and puts. Normally we don't buy options too often on this channel, but I see a really solid opportunity, pretty high risk, high reward play with some really high potential upside. So that's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on this stock, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. And also take a look at our link in the description for a free Discord server. We give out free options plays every single day. Thanks for watching.